my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have been reading the comments. I know a lot of you are wanting a part-time weekend work so you can make a little bit of extra money around a full-time job. Today I have just that. The company Dry Farm Wines is hiring a customer service hospitality concierge to work part-time. This is remote work from home for my United States folks only on the weekends. Now they are based out of California, but they run a winery and wine business, and they are looking for someone to basically answer the phones and help resolve any customer issues. You'll be the voice of the customer, making sure that they feel understood, appreciated, and loved. You'll solve any issues that arise from customers. You'll always prioritize their phone calls. You'll be the first in the queue on calls that are always available to answer inbound calls. You ensure that you are giving quick responses. You'll listen to the customers and let them know that you care. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position, even though it is part-time weekends, they are looking for somebody to work Friday through Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it is a daytime hour, so you still have your Saturday nights to go out to dinner or whatever. However, you will have to work during the day on Friday. This would be perfect for somebody who already works a full-time job for 10s, so you work 10 hours Monday through Thursday, and then you can pick up this part-time job Friday, Saturday, and Sunday if you want to work every day. I'm not sure that I would. They don't require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of customer service. They want somebody who has worked with or knowledgeable with wine in some capacity and has a thirst for learning. Now, if that is you, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position in the job description. That'll have to be asked at the interview, but they offer some great benefits, not only working from home, but it says unlimited pure natural wine. So it looks like you get free wine if you are a wine drinker. They offer paid gym memberships, 401k plans, vacation time, all of the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments, or any specific hours you're looking to work. Are you looking for overnights? Are you looking for weekends? Are you looking for daytime only? Let me know down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.